We do not have any confirmed reports.
What about their names, sir?
Their names will be divulged later. They have been kept. Give it out to the press soon. Davis, from which place have they been arrested? Where is it? He has been arrested from GOLFLINK.
From GOLFLINK.
Oh.
So they are the residents of GOLFLINK?
Yeah. They were tracked down.
Threatmen they use this BPS pin or so that they can change their IP address.
Depending upon the IP address itself, they have not changed any pin or other things. Only one has been arrested, two have been arrested, and one has been left off, and one is taken in for interrogation. No, evidence was there, but it is not incriminating evidence. We don't know yet if there is any link between the bomb blast suspects and this case. This person doesn't seem to be so serious.
How old are they?
25 to 30. Whether that group is a valid group or not, we don't know yet. We don't have information about the group. Interrogation will go on. Depending upon the interrogation report, we will see what can be done. Crime branch has registered a case, and ISKA SEAL Executive Force also has registered a case.